Alrighty guys, I'm just showing you a quick example from chapter 5c, question 5h, and in this case we've been asked to simplify a fraction, and this fraction isn't a nice easy one. It's got x squares, polynomials, trinomials, you name it. So it is a monic, number one, quadratic, squared, trinomial, 1, 2, 3 bits, on top of a fairly simplified function on the bottom. So let's have a look. The first thing I'm going to look at is say, okay, I want to do something with the top line. Okay, I want to factorize that, so maybe I'll end up with something I can cancel out, a 3 or an x minus 9 on the bottom. So let's have a go at that. So I'm going to rewrite that, x squared minus 5x minus 36. And we know that the three steps here are to find the factors, find the things that add up to the middle one, and then rewrite it out. So my factors are 36, and 1. What else do I have? A 6 times 6, a 4 times 9, and what do I have? A 2 times 18. Okay. You might quickly look at these and go, oh, I just want my 4 times 9, that's fine. I like to list them out just in case I've forgotten something. So when I look at these, I want some combination of these which are going to give me a minus 5. Okay. I know that one of them's got to be minus because it's got a minus 36. So I'm looking at that, I'm going to go, I've got 5 in between 4 and 9. To get to minus 5, I might go minus 9 plus 4. Okay. If I go 4 times minus 9, I get my minus 36. So now I'll rewrite this one out. X minus 9, x plus 4. Okay, and that's what's going to replace this function up the top. So let's rewrite that out. So that goes to x minus 9, x plus 4. And I've still got that bit at the bottom here. So here goes on top of 3x minus 9. And aren't we lucky? Just so happens that this bracketed term here and this one here are both the same, x minus 9. I can cancel them out, and I can rewrite it as x plus 4 over 3. Okay, and that's as simple as it gets. So once we get good at factorising, we can use that to make things which look pretty horrible into something which looks pretty straightforward. Okay, and that's one of the main reasons we learn how to do this, is so that we can take that and turn it into that.